In this lecture, you're going to learn how to drop a stored procedure. This is particularly useful if you made a mistake and you want to recreate your stored procedure. So we use the drop procedure statement followed by the name of our procedure, like get clients. Let's execute this. All right. Our procedure is gone, so it's not here anymore. Now, if we execute this statement one more time, we get an error because MySQL will raise an error if we try to drop a procedure that doesn't exist. To prevent the error, we can use the if exists keywords. So we change this statement to drop procedure if exists. This is a better and safer way to drop procedures. Also, just like views, it's a good practice to store the code for dropping and creating each stored procedure in a separate SQL file, and then put that file under source control like Git. This way you can share your Git repository with other team members, and everyone can recreate this database with all its views and stored procedures on their machine. So typically, we have the drop statement first, followed by a semicolon, and then create procedure, get clients, begin, and of course we need to add the delimiter statement here, and also change that to the default delimiter. And then here we can write select everything from the clients table. So this is a basic template for creating stored procedures. Now we save this in a file called get clients. So save. Earlier we created the views folder for our views. Now we can create another folder for our stored procedures. And here we add get underline clients.sql. When you put all these scripts under source control, you can always go back in time and see what changes you made to your database objects at any given point in time.